guys, I'm just coming out from Baktapur Durbar Square. Then I am hearing a lot of noise beside this pool. So I was like, let me come and show you what's going on. I asked the people around. They said it's kind of cultural, traditional stuff going on. I don't know, but I'm also coming here to see what's happening. Yeah. Hey brother, what's going on there? What's going on there?
No.
Why are you so shy? What's going on there, bro? Huh? You guys can't talk. Why? You look so shy. They are all shy, man. Hi. How are you? Fine. Hello. They are so shy, guys. All of them are so shy. The small boys only. Let me just show. I don't know what's going on. Hi. How are you? How are you? Hi. How are you, brother? You good?
Fine.
What's your name? Huh? What's going on there? Huh? What? Huh?
This is a thime.
Thema?
Yeah.
Thema?
Yeah.
Thema means?
Thime means baza.
Baza.
Yeah.
Oh. Huh? Thema is? He's saying it's Thema. James.
James, what's up?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, James, you can tell me, right? You
This
can
is
tell
a
me more.
traditional dance. It will soon come back.
It's for which tribe? Newari?
No, I don't know. I am recently reached here.
Okay. Is it over or what?
It will be again, right?
Okay.
Huh?
Why they are putting their drums?
Again.
Again they will perform, right?
Yes, they will.
Okay.
They will try.
Okay. They do this every day? Every day they do this?
No. They do not. They only practice.
Okay.
They practice this dance. Now they practice and later they show another schools.
Okay.
This is traditional dance. And
What? This is a school?
yes,
Basic
it's
school?
schools.
Okay.
So, City Gari School, basic school.
Okay.
Have you seen the school names?
Yes.
Up there?
Yeah. I'm seeing.
Yes, this is.
You stay here?
No, I am recently reached from. I came from India.
Oh, you're from India?
I am born here, but I've learned from India.
You are Nepali or Indian?
I'm Nepali,
Oh.
but I went to learning.
Where you stay in India?
I'm India's Dolenji, Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh, yeah,
Have you?
nice.
Have you?
I've
visited-
been there, yes.
You've been there?
Yes, I've been to
I'm
Himachal
here
Pradesh.
to learning. Here
Himachal
is
Pradesh, there is
big monastery. There is
yes.
a Tibetan cultures monastery.
yeah, Himachal Pradesh also look like Nepal.
Yes, but
Yeah.
Himachal Pradesh, Dolenji. Have you reached in Dolenji?
No.
Have you?
I
come
went
Dolenji.
Himachal Pradesh. I went.
Solen market and come Dolenji and here is big beautiful monasteries.
Okay, nice.
This monastery is the
Huh.
biggest monastery of Bonn.
Biggest monastery of
Bonn
Bonn.
monastery.
Okay, Bonn monastery. Okay. So those people all around here,
Yes.
they belong to this school,
Yes.
or they came from another place. Oh, those ladies, I saw them there. They were performing also. These two ladies, they were performing there in the morning in Baktapur.
Hey, morning Tabo.
Yeah. So guys, yes, I'm a YouTuber. Gabs Gabi. This area is called Baktapur only. Now? Napuku. Okay. So guys, I came this side heading from Baktapur and I found a lot of local people here practicing and yeah, they are preparing. They said there is one festival gonna take place on date 9, right? April 9th. Yes. So all those people around here, you can see guys, they are all practicing. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Luffy. Say hi.
Luffy मेरा छोटा भाई.
What's happening? Tell us.
Luffy is little brother.
I think
English बोलाउँदैन मेरो काठमाडौँ स्कुलमा रे यस्तो मान्छे काठमाडौँ बोल्छ she is 10th fail you know like she can't speak English
this is your school, right?
Yeah, right.
Can you tell your YouTube name
Gabs Gabi. Gabs Gabi. Hi, he's also performing. You will perform there, right? What's your name? Swa? Okay. So guys, this is so basically they are all performing, guys. Like it's just practicing. They are all practicing for date 9. Like it's gonna be a very big festival for them. It's like a Newari festival gonna take place, right? Yeah. So it's gonna be a very big festival, guys, which will start on date 9 till 17 or till 17, 18. Till 17, 18, guys. And I'm here. I can't wait, guys, to witness this festival, guys. I'm so curious also to know much more about the festival. And yeah, it's just from Baktapur I was coming, and I was so lucky because of the noise, guys. They have so big drums here. They have very huge drum here, guys. So they are performing here, and I heard of the drum. So I was like, let me come and check what is going on. You see all the team, guys, all those people here. They are all performing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Fine. Yeah.
Welcome to Nepal.
Hi. Yes. They are all performing. Hello, sir. Namaste. Namaste. Yeah, I am Gabs from Africa, South Sudan.
nice to meet you
Yeah, my first time in Nepal. Yeah. So what's going on actually?
we are dhime nas
Dhime
and nas going to perform in 27
Oh, they are practicing now.
we are practice yeah.
When will they perform there? Which day?
In Nepal date is 27
27?
Chaitra.
27 April?
One week after 1 week
After 1 week?
yeah
Okay. Nice.
you must come to the
Yeah, I want to know exact day when to come. Today is 4th.
for
So when will I come?
Wednesday
Wednesday?
Thursday
14? Which date exactly? Guys, I want also to attend the festival, so I want to know the exact date. And I just came to know that here Nepali date are different. Huh?
9 April
9 April,
and start 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay. I will come, sir. Thank you. Yeah. So on 9 April, guys, I can't wait to come and witness this performance. You see all those people here. They are now practicing, and he's the one teaching them. So we're gonna see. That was amazing, guys. I feel like it is their real performance. But this is just rehearsaling, guys. This is so far the practice. They're just practicing for their final day. And I can see so much of energy, guys. They have a lot of energy. People have a lot of energy here. Yeah. I need you to teach me how to do that. How to do that?
We have some like in good guitars we have chords. Like we have also the.
How did you learn this here only?
Yes.
Who told you?
We have our teacher. We respect he as guru.
Okay. They teach you here only?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
It's like a course.
Daily you have to come for practice here?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, this is my first time here and I just love everything, seeing their energy for the culture, guys. Like people are so energetic and it seems like it's gonna be a big day for them. Like it's a big day. You want to say something?
Hello.
Hi. It seems like it's gonna be a big day for them, guys. And they can't wait, everyone can't wait. Hi. Tell us something.
This is Tina Sulpakar, my friend.
Why is it? Are you shy from camera?
She is shy from camera. I
Tell
don't
me
know
something
why.
about Newari. Like for me, I don't know much about the.
Like it's a culture. That's
Newari, is it the biggest tribe of Nepal?
yeah, maybe.
Okay.
It's not maybe.
Huh?
It's yes, of course. That's yes.
It is rich in culture, traditions, and their foods items.
So on that day, is Newari only going to perform?
Yeah, only Newar. No,
Only
not only Newar because
There
there
is
are
different kind of, there are different caste people here.
They will come and perform, right?
You can also join us.
Yeah, I want to join. How can I join?
Like you have to first learn how to.
I have to come for practice, right?
Yes, you have to come for practice, like daily. But
Now
you
from
can't-
today, they will keep on practicing.
No, we are practicing from many days.
1 month.
Yeah, maybe.
Since 1 month we are practicing this dance.
Okay.
And for this,
Okay. Nice. All the best. All the best. Let's have selfie. Come together. Come on the camera, please. Look here. Hello, brothers. Let's have selfie together. Why? Look on the camera. Selfie. I will be going. Let's have selfie. Okay? Look on the camera. Okay? Okay. Thank you, guys.
Welcome on Nepal.
Okay. Bye. All the best. I will come on that night.
Yes,
Your
yes.
it's
It's on 27.
27 mean April 9th.
April
Yes,
9th.
9th April.
Okay.
You are most
3 o'clock.
welcome.
The performance will start from evening or afternoon?
Maybe from 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay, I will come. Okay, bye then.
Okay.
I will come on 9th.
Yes.
In 9th April.
9th April.
Yeah.
And what is going to happen also on 14? I heard on 14 there is something special also big. Where they pull that?
Yes. It's
In
gonna
chariot.
be like it's gonna be pulled like 10th April.
On 10?
Like in 14.
Long wooden structure.
Huh?
A long tree.
Huh?
We call it lingo.
Like we call it lingo, and it's going to be pulled by many people.
That festival, when will it happen exactly? Which date?
14th April.
At
14?
14 April.
14 April.
It starts from 5 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, and in 9th April there is.
Okay, so I have to come here date 9 for your performance.
In
You
9
must
April,
come.
you have to come at the evening at 12 p.m.
Okay, and then 14.
You must
Okay.
come.
Okay,
If
then
you
thank
don't
you.
come, I'll not talk to you.
I will come. Okay, then I'll be leaving. Bye. Thank you, guys. Okay, see you on date 9.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
You must read.
We must meet you.
Yes, I will come. Obviously, I will come. Are you guys also performing? You're not part? See. How do you feel being part of this? Huh? I will come on date 9. Yo guys, I'll be leaving this place. Bye. See you on date 9. Okay, I'm leaving this place, guys. And yeah, as I told you, they are all preparing for date 9. They are all. Bye, I will come on date 9. Okay, bye. Yeah, on date 9, they will have their final performance. So today is just rehearsing, practicing for the final date. It's so amazing. Yeah, Hala Madrid. Yes. Yeah, guys, I'm leaving the place, guys. Goodbye. I love the culture. Can't wait to witness the Newari day on date 9th. Bye bye. Peace out.